Once caught in its irresistible gravitational pull, nothing is supposed to be able to escape a black hole, but astronomers have spotted one burping out blasts of hot gas. A supermassive black hole at the center of a small galaxy merging with a larger galaxy, known as the whirlpool, has been found to be emitting enormous explosions of X-ray emitting gas. Astronomers have even found that the blasts coming from the black hole, which is 26 million light-years from Earth, are altering the structure of the galaxy it sits at the center of. Each powerful burst of superheated gas has swept aside the clouds of hydrogen gas normally found at the center of a galaxy, which has been likened to a giant, galactic snowplow. The burps may even have triggered the formation of new stars in the gas they have plowed up. Dr. Eric Schlegel, an astronomer at the University of Texas in San Antonio who led the study, said, "Our observation is important because this behavior would likely happen very often in the early universe, altering the evolution of galaxies." For an analogy, astronomers often refer to black holes as eating stars and gas. Apparently, black holes can also burp after their meal. It is common for big black holes to expel gas outward, but rare to have such a close, resolved view of these events. The researchers used images taken by NASA's Chandra X-ray Space Telescope of the Messier 51 galaxy system, which is in the constellation Canes Venatici. On the end of one of the spiral arms of the Whirlpool galaxy is another small galaxy called NGC 5195, which is thought to be merging with its larger neighbor. Focusing on the smaller galaxy, astronomers discovered two enormous arcs of X-ray emissions close to its center that have left a slender region of relatively cool hydrogen gas. They said these are evidence of blasts coming from the supermassive black hole as hotter X-ray emitting gas has swept up the hydrogen from the center of the galaxy. The researchers, who presented their findings at a meeting of the American Astronomical Society meeting in Kissimmee, Florida, said the properties of the gas around the X-ray producing arc suggest the outer arc has plowed up enough material to trigger the formation of new stars. Dr. Christine Jones, another of the researchers involved in the study based at the Harvard-Smithsonian Center for Astrophysics in Cambridge, Massachusetts, added, "We think these arcs represent fossils from two enormous blasts when the black hole expelled material outward into the galaxy. This activity is likely to have had a big effect on the galactic landscape." The researchers, whose results will also be published in the Astrophysical Journal, think the bursts from the supermassive black hole may have been triggered by the interactions with its larger neighboring galaxy. This may have caused gas to be funneled towards the black hole, generating huge amounts of energy as it falls into the black hole, which causes blasts to be emitted outwards. It is thought the most recent blast, which created the innermost arc, occurred around 3 million years ago, while the earlier burst occurred between 3 and 6 million years ago. Dr. Marie Maciasek, also from the Harvard-Smithsonian Center for Astrophysics, said, "We think that feedback keeps galaxies from becoming too large. But at the same time, it can be responsible for how some stars form. This shows that black holes can create, not just destroy."